Hello all. This video demonstrates the new Redraw Performance feature introduced in TurboCAD 2021. This feature impacts all areas of design usage, including 2D, 3D mechanical design, 2D, 3D architectural design, as well as general purpose design. Frequently used commands such as zooming, panning, rotating, and redrawing are now super fast. Performance improvements up to 20x are possible due to a complete overhaul of the TurboCAD graphics pipeline, including leveraging support for any GPU hardware available. Large 2D drawings containing lines, circles, text can be quickly panned and zoomed for new viewing locations. A side-by-side comparison between TurboCAD 2020 and TurboCAD 2021 shows significant performance boosts, along with providing smoother, flicker-free graphics. In this example, we are using a lower-end Intel Iris GPU found in many laptops. In summary, all TurboCAD redraw commands have received a performance boost up to 20x depending on your hardware, making working with large drawings for architectural and mechanical design more fluid. Thanks for watching.